All right, folks, before we go, I wanted to share a story about a really, really young hero. When 9-year-old Andrew Ramirez saw his friend Michaela choking on a piece of candy at a school party, he jumped to her rescue and performed the Heimlich maneuver. And they're both here today. So please welcome Andrew and Michaela. Andrew, how you doing?
Good.
Michaela, how are you?
Good.
Now, Andrew, you saved Michaela's life. Can you show me what you did that day?
So, it was during a class party and I was throwing away a candy wrapper. And then when I turned around, I saw Michaela grabbing her neck, and then I noticed that she was choking on a gummy bear. And then I quickly went behind her and then gave her the Heimlich maneuver.
How did you know how to do that?
My dad taught me, and he's a doctor.
So, Michaela, how did you feel that day when Andrew saved you?
Felt like a tiny bit scared because I didn't know what he was gonna do.
Yeah. But you were in a lot of trouble, though. Pretty glad he did what he did, though, huh?
Yeah.
This question's for both of you, but I'll start with you, Andrew. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor.
Oh, well. You know how they say, like, you ever heard, like in a fairy tale, when the little princess gets in trouble and the knight in shining armor come along?
Yes.
You see what I'm getting at?
Yes. Yes.
One day, this could be like, you're gonna look back on this years later, probably get married or something. I know it put a little throw up in the back of your throat right now, but all that'll change. I heard about what a hero you are, Andrew. They sent someone special here to congratulate you on your courage. So, from the new DreamWorks Theater Kung Fu Panda attraction, please welcome Po. How you doing? Okay, all right, I'll tell him. All right, I got to tell him. Listen, because you were so brave, they want to send you and both of you guys' families up to Universal Studios Hollywood today. Yeah. So you're gonna go up to Universal Studio Hollywood today, and you're gonna have a lot of fun on the rides and stuff. Congratulations, little Andrew. Congratulations, Michaela.